I'm excited. B.A.P is back with the Ratchet review swag. And Imani, as usual, is not exactly, the most. Yo, we look really dark in this. I feel like we need a lamp in our face, actually. Yup. It's about to be about that life right now. About to put a flat. Ooh. Let's take a shot. This thing is so ratchet. I can't with this whole. This phone needs to go. We trying, we coming, we doing it. Review. Look at just shine bright like Phoenix. Maybe. Imani, you should get in the frame, Imani. Okay. Alright, let's. Batman is out. I'm not wearing a bra. Whoa. No, that was a mistake. No, but for real, I'm gonna slap myself in the face with my boobs so people saw that. Yep, about that life. You know what? Okay, there's 2 chocolate chips. Swag it. Let's watch this video. I'm excited. Badman pull up. Badman pull up. Badman forward. But that's a lot of Negroes. Yeah. Yep. When they said they wanted black men, they were like, we got a lot of black men. What's this rap? Wait, Jello got Bantu knots. Did you see that?
No, I did not. Go back.
Sorry, Mom, 5 minutes. He has Bantu knots, Jesus.
Did you see that?
Oh my God, did you see that? It's just loud. That's it. Did you see?
He got. Can you really get a neck tattoo? Get a neck tattoo, like for real.
Word.
Yes, expansive neck. I kind of want that hoodie really bad. Oh, he got that muscle. Whoa. She looks at me like that though. Hold on. Basketball shot? Wait. Sorry. This is a real black video.
Exactly. Like I feel like he calls
He has his hair.
word.
Jello, this is better than the pro. Better than the pro. The clothes great. Here's bunch nuts. I'm not sure about that tattoo on the nose.
Imagine when he needs to blow his nose. Then I gotta blow it like this.
See, imagine me trying to hang off a gate like that. That's an accident waiting to happen. They just a howl right.
Yep, not woo.
Oh, that's why they needed the white couple. Okay. Sorry, we saw the casting call for this. Oh,
Yo, okay, Jello.
He's swagging out. Oh. Was that Bang Good? I'm sorry, was that him? I don't think so. No, it wasn't. Okay, I would guess. B.A.P song is not complete without a Daehyun high note. It's not complete.
I know exactly what you thought of when you saw him do the high note. Twerk game weak like Daehyun after a high note. He bent over. Sorry. Blame Tumblr. Twerk game weak like Daehyun after a high note. Oh, sorry. That totally took away from the seriousness of this video. I'm sorry. Twerk game weak like Daehyun after a high note. That's crazy though.
This is an epic freaking video.
That's an intense. I really think wasn't that Daniel Cook? I think he the dude that was hanging off.
Well, go back and
That could be him.
That's the moans.
Be like, oh, praise the Lord, amen. Yeah.
I saw that.
Oh, you wasn't? Okay. Trying to find it. Yeah, we gonna verify this before we go to bed. I'm going to verify it.
Okay, and I don't think he know how to jump off shit though. I don't think he does parkour.
I'm sorry, Jello. Every time he
Swag, my life changing. I don't think that was banging. Okay, forget it. Okay, I held out hope for a minute. I looked at the face. I told you about it.
Nah, but for real though, imagine if Young Jay had
the right thing.
Whoa. Whoa. Shade. Whoa. I just want to say, I feel bad for Young Jay because imagine if you had to blow your nose. That's some hard shit. That's hard times right there. That guy from Lurking. I mess up the ink. No,
say that face that you just made.
This is what we think of the video. Isn't that great? Swag it.
But it's a great video.
It is an awesome video. So epic. Like I feel like we should be running in slow motion. Everybody, there's so many black dudes in there. They were like, yo, if you look hard and big and you like drink way too much whey protein, it was this, yo. That's the requirements. Drink a lot of whey, protein. Like you literally live in GNC. And the gym. That dude with the bicep in the beginning, I thought he was gonna punch somebody else just with his arm. He's like, look at my arm. Look at my. Did you see my arm? Don't let this fool you. This is all hard and fat. That's not muscle. But why couldn't you have? Why couldn't we have any hard black women in there? Word, I would have came in swag whopping and everything, just like doing do. No, that's not how I should have walked in. That was no. I have only like 10 more points left of street cred. I have street cred. We will argue this for the day. I have street.
2 only because you live in Brooklyn.
No, I have 10 because I live on Flatbush. And there you go.
Oh, at the most 5.
No, we're not gonna talk about this no more because I know I got street cred. That itch snuck up on me. I'm sorry. Big breast problems. Sorry. Well, sayonara after this Ratchet review. Love you, B.A.P. I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
Condensation. Alright, so that was a good video. I thought it was wow. That was a good video though. I enjoyed it. But what have I not enjoyed about B.A.P? Exactly. They can make a song about poop and constipation. I'd probably love it. Because I would feel it would relate to my life at times in my life. I would love it. So I'd be like, man, I know there's those days when I could not take a shit and it bothered me so much. And now it's in the song.
It's a ballad.
With twerk game week, I think that twerk game would be extra weak because he can't poop too. So that'd be like no poop plus he has to hit a high note. That's a lot of shit for Daehyun to deal with. I don't like that. Not only can he not poop, but he gotta hit a high note. Maybe actually the poop, maybe actually no, a fart might come out actually after the high note. I believe it. I'm sorry, but I believe it. Like, imagine if you were hitting a high note like Daehyun, be like, ah! Whoops. Yep. My boo bitch earlier, so you know what, that was the ratchet moment of the day. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is our reaction. I hope people don't watch this. I'm mad I gave myself a high five. Like, oh god. See, this is why I can't be a teacher in Korea, because I'll be a real ratchet teacher out of nowhere. I'm sorry, that was a tangent.
Sorry about us being shrouded in darkness.
Is that real Acer camera? No, I can't say shit because we use my Samsung.
You know what Daphne?
I'm sorry, my Samsung.
You ain't got the battery.
You know what? That's the end of this review. That was our reaction. I'm mad we talked about his neck too. I hope Bang Good never sees this shit. Okay.
I hope he does. He has a nice neck.
He does have a nice neck. I was gonna say another comment after that, but you know I held that back. I reeled that right back in. I was like, nope, let me take the fishing pole, roll it right back in. We don't need to say nothing else. Nothing else. After the twerk game week comment, we good. Twerk game week like Daehyun after a high note. That should be our sign off. Goodbye. Oh, that was in unison. Swag Panda.